Hey everyone! Is your laptop screen freezing or stuck? Don't worry. I'll show you simple fixes to get your laptop running smoothly again. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check for overheating first. Check if your laptop's overheating. A hot laptop can freeze up. Place it on a hard, flat surface for better ventilation. If it's super warm, turn it off for 10 minutes to cool down. You can also use a cooling pad for long-term prevention. Step 2. End task on unresponsive apps. If an app's causing the freeze, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager on Windows. Find the stuck app, click it, and hit End Task. This usually frees up your screen in seconds. Step 3. Update drivers and system-outdated drivers can cause freezes. Go to your laptop's settings, check for system updates, and install them. For graphics drivers, visit your manufacturer's website, like Dell, HP, or Apple, and download the latest ones. Restart after updating. Step 4. Run a malware scan. Malware can slow things down. Use a trusted antivirus like Windows Defender or Malwarebytes. Run a full scan and remove any threats. Keep your antivirus updated for 2025's latest protections. That's it. Try these steps, and your laptop should be back to normal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech fixes. See you next time.